Hey guys, Adam here, hope you're well. This week is going to be slightly different. This is going to be a what's in my kit bag kind of video, everything that's always in my bag on every single wedding. It's not exactly a tip video, but I think it's still advice and it's hopefully still helpful. I've just uploaded a review of the backpack that I use for all my weddings, the companion backpack. I've just done a review of it, so that's up on the channel as well. I'll link it below. Go and check that out. I'd definitely recommend that as a bag for especially minimalist wedding videographers. So to tie in with that, I thought I'd do a little what's in my kit bag. So that's this week's vid and hopefully it's helpful. This is my companion rucksack. This is my wedding bag that I've taken on my weddings. In this top bit, there's loads of space in there. I keep spare clothes. So at the minute, I think I've just got a pair of pants in there and a shirt. So that's just overnight clothes if I'm going destination wedding or I'm prone to spilling coffee. So spare clothes in the top bit there. A Manfrotto travel tripod goes on the side. That's the only tripod I use all day. I just have the one. So that fits on the side of the bag, which is dead handy. And then we open it up in here. The top bit there, that's the clothes I mentioned, that's my spare shirt, spare pants. There's extra pads, obviously the Velcro customizable pads. I've got a center cleaning sticky thing that slides in the top there. This is my audio equipment. So I've got all my Sony's recorders in there. Got like 5 of those in a little pouch that slots in there. Here's my A7S II 85mm prime Zeiss Batis lens. That's my A cam, that's my #1 camera that I shoot 95% of the day on. This is my baby. Other cam, my B cam, is the A7S Mark I. It's got a 35mm Samyang prime lens on it most of the time just to get a wider shot. I'm also proud to say I've never lost a lens cap, so they're always on there. What are you doing, Chads? A kind shot. This bit, I have a case for spare SD cards. I have some Gorilla Tape for taping my recorders to microphones or tables or lecterns or anything like that. I've also got double-sided Velcro for the same purpose. Lens wipes. I've got a couple of jack cables to get feeds from mixing desks for backup audio. The spare little plate in there as well. I'm discovering stuff I've not seen in ages. Kit lens. I've not used this in a wedding for a long time, but this is the lens that I started with. Zeiss 24-70 kit lens that I got with the camera. I've got an 85mm Samyang prime as well, just as a backup 85. Leather pouch here that's full of batteries. Some legit Sony batteries, some cheap ones off Amazon, but I tend to find they work just as well. There's about 10 batteries in there. This bit I've got a Zoom recorder. Again, this is just to get a feed off of mixing desks as a backup audio that I don't really use that often. I also have a light in here that's, I can't remember the batteries are dead. That's how long it was since I used that. You know, a first dance or a night do, sometimes good, but hardly ever. And this top bit here, headphones, my laptop isn't in there, but that slides down there. That's it. That's it. And there you have it. That's genuinely everything that I take on every single wedding. Occasionally I'll have a drone booked in, I'll have a second shooter, or I'll shoot a bit of drone footage. I don't do that every wedding, so I just carry that separately normally if and when. But that's the bag that I take. That's all the kit. Near enough all of it is linked below as well. There's links to all the different pieces of equipment, etc. If you did want to check any of those pieces out, the links are below. And I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful, and I will see you next week.